Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant. First, let's cover the basics. Valorant is a thrilling 5 versus 5 tactical shooter where two teams compete across multiple rounds. Each player selects a unique agent, bringing distinct abilities to the battlefield. The primary goal is to either plant or defuse the spike, a powerful explosive, or eliminate all opposing players. Matches are best of 25 rounds, with the first team to 13 rounds winning the game. It's a fast-paced, strategic experience that rewards teamwork and precise aim. To begin your Valorant journey, you'll first need to download the game. Head over to the official Riot Games website and create a free account if you don't already have one. Once registered, locate the Valorant download link and click to get the client installer. Run the downloaded file and follow the simple on-screen prompts to complete the installation. The game typically requires about 50 gigabytes of free storage on your computer, so ensure you have enough space before starting the process. It's a straightforward setup, getting you into the action quickly. Once you're in the game, understanding the core mechanics is key. Each agent possesses a set of unique abilities: 2 purchasable basic abilities, 1 free signature ability, and a powerful ultimate ability that charges over time. Aiming and shooting are crucial. Practice with different weapons, from pistols to rifles, to find what suits your style. Remember the in-game economy. You earn credits each round to buy new weapons, shields, and abilities. Effective communication with your 4 teammates is vital for coordinating strategies and securing victories. To truly excel in Valorant, consistent practice and learning are essential. Familiarize yourself with all the map layouts, understanding common angles and strategic positions. Observing professional players can provide valuable insights into advanced tactics and effective team rotations. Dedicate time to practicing your aim in the firing range or through deathmatch games to refine your shooting skills. Playing with friends not only makes the experience more enjoyable, but also fosters better teamwork and coordination, leading to more wins and a more rewarding experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.